Hey, I'm Philip Peter. I'm the winner for the $1,000 credit giveaway by Peter Gay Lifeline. Yo, check out the channel. You don't know, big up all the time. You don't know, say a whole heap of calling, man. I gotta know. You see me. Yeah.
Good morning, you guys. What's up? What are you guys doing today? Right now, may I do right? Don't know. I have a car running with me. The sun blazing hot, man, you know. But let me up on the road. I don't know what I'm gonna do after I'm done with my business. But anything I do, on a journey with me. So tag along. Good morning. Can I have a small bottle of water?
Good day, Vicky.
Guys, right now I'm tired. I'm going to wait on a waterfront down there to the tax office. I'm going to turn back. I'm going to come back next time now. No, I'm going to take some passport size photo. Thanks. Alright, thanks. Take some picture. Stop. Guys, I just want to take a picture of them a while ago. It's a really man fix because I'm editing. So I'm going to wait 10 minutes and then I'm going to finish now. I'm going to look some food and then we'll go up and pass high school and beg the principal to send picture them to me. Because it's always good for have like pictures nearby because I always want new pictures to be made, you know? So, yeah. Miss you. You can't say hi to vlog, right?
No, I look hideous right now. You can't do me that.
Why?
I'm not cute.
I just mashed up one party a while ago. But I never just mashed up just a while ago. Like just a while ago.
Okay, no,
Come buy one?
yeah, no more want juice. I just eat. I
Have
drink
some.
soda.
Oh, should I drink
want
soda?
Coca-Cola. I want to eat a tropical. Tropical rhythm.
Yeah, just I
I cranberry water.
tell me I
Give me
buy you one.
Arizona.
Tell me I buy you one bag juice. That alright?
No Arizona.
You don't want a bag juice?
No Arizona. Look for me, I'm tired. I lack of energy. I want like a look like zero. So buy me a super drink.
So what you do?
I'm gonna hear
Let's sit up.
sleep.
Oh.
Cock up door.
I want to take some picture while ago. I never like how them come out. Them look ugly.
What you ugly?
No, it's like may I tell you?
Excuses no.
No, I'm not
You're
excuses.
ugly.
Girl, I'm not ugly.
Alright,
Me
you're
and your family.
You're
So if me
cute.
ugly, you ugly. Alright? So we take the China.
Yeah, Jackie.
Are you a Jackie? Anyway,
Maybe that's why I'm so cute. I'm gonna come off of your ugly bloodline.
excuse you. So I'm take the picture now and everything. The picture come out blurry. Look on it. What is this?
Come ugly.
You're not ugly. Okay. You're not. Whatcha? Girl. Tell you so. Talk to them.
I'm not no visit to them. I hear people.
Oh, this one look as my girl.
Yeah, bad.
They look blurry.
In a blurry.
The
So you
picture
know what?
ugly.
But
No.
you know what I'm seeing picture.
No, kind of ugly. Could I guys? Look ugly. Them can't see, but anyways.
Them can't see it. What it?
No. It ugly. Me I go from my high school and beg the and beg the principal for sign him up for me. Yes, you guys can come in the arcade and come right here. My family is going right this way. Once you guys come in the arcade, you guys can come to 186 or ask for Ken. You see her face lighter? All them something, yeah.
No, she
Straight jeans. When say a party go for New York.
Yeah, it's like that shoes.
Say a party go for New York.
Like that shoes. Show and customer. Yeah, I'll let your shoes in here, you guys.
Just give me some money.
And the things,
Some money and big.
my favorite thing is the
Yo.
black one. What night? She's fortunate. So why you rather?
You work here?
no, just work over at HTTP.
So why you rather? So why you rather? Shoes or slippers and why?
Shoes.
Why? Why?
Well, now I'm going to shoes. I don't really like slippers.
Slippers.
Shoes more comfortable.
Slippers comfortable.
That just look cheap.
So you'd say for the people that who wear slippers and go cheap.
Don't mix me. It just look away.
So
I
you're
rather
right.
wear my shoes. Maybe buy my shoes.
Okay. She love her shoes.
I love my shoes.
And I
And
fit
that's
small
because
too.
of my no, yeah, because I told me there and no.
Okay, you guys, what you guys rather wear? Girls though. Slippers or shoes?
Shoes, come on.
Slippers.
Shoes and heels.
You can't wear heels?
Duh. Let's see these legs. See the sexy legs. They make fit. Girls,
So
slippers are just simple things. Don't wear slippers good. Right now, or
So you are one of them who would wear like dress
yeah.
and shoes.
You see me? Send that.
Wear.
You know, I see you now. Becoming a pants.
We are not come on them.
Stop wear. You stop like.
I tell them what in a fashion then. I show them. Show
Show
them.
them. And Jay's never go out of stuff.
I show them the new shoes them want to wear. And when them come in here, them for buy. What? Them here?
Jordan, I think you are
What them here?
yeah.
Them here are the new Arachi. So tell them where you are located so them can
Don't stress me. Friend in charge arcade. We don't even know the address.
yeah, just walk straight on the bottom and then ask for Ken and then you see she and then step into the
Ugly brownie.
yeah, the ugly brownie.
With the bow legs.
Which way?
Excuse you, are you jealous? You're a bad mind. I'm so ugly. Yeah, seriously.
Happened something for me.
Hey no.
Lie.
So me I leave now. Shannon tell him bye.
Crying.
She not cry good. Bye. Yeah, he up chin for me and so.
Bye.
Alright. Yeah, alright. Guys, right now I'm at my past high school looking for my principal. Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. You know where's Mr. Isaac? But somebody said he's not upstairs, so I'm just checking upstairs to see if he's upstairs. Alright, thanks. Oh. And a general school, yeah. Me used to run. So, look for the principal, you know. Guys, it's like a salt there. Come to school. May I sit down? Come to school and principal gone. I'm gonna have all day for me, but I don't have all day. Oh boy. Just buy one credit, you know. And call babe and just chat to him. And customer for nothing. But no, send me alone, like. You know, so someone will call on partner and just start cost for nothing. I mean that too. Yo, sometimes I miss high school still, you know. Miss it sometime, but not all the time. I wonder if they have credit in the shop. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Mr. Right! Mr. Right! Mr. Right! Oi, what? I'm fine. You know them have credit in the talk shop?
What?
Them have credit.
Credit?
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Where's your father?
Hold on, man.
Eh?
Me don't have them trust, but they have credit only.
Alright, alright.
I make mascot up to me. She. What you mean? You remember?
So, Mr. Ray, you well remember me answer.
What you mean? What wrong with you?
Me a general though.
How you mean?
Sure. Me a report Mr. Isaac, man. God no.
Alright.
Alright. But me get fed up me a cut. Me get fed up me a cut. Alright. But me care for you. Mr. Right, a new year now.
I'm not them foolishness there. A new year, no?
Yeah, a new year. So you
Sure.
forgive me something.
No, man. No, man. Hear me now. I could have me have your father. So you have to give me something. Me make you come see light. Come to have it here.
It's alright.
No, you're not nothing over me again.
Don't know you're general, you know. Alright. Guys, I end up go home now. Because it might take too long to come. So, I go home. And then I come back in at the week. So, whenever. Boy, I reach home now. My day I look food in the pot. They look more Sunday, Monday. You know, food from myself just Sunday. So, I'm going to warm up this. Warm up some of my pork I'm going to cook. Yeah. And my rice. Yeah. So, that's what I want to do. I went to the fridge for some water, some juice or whatever. Yeah, I just don't want my pork and my rice. Don't want some OE pork. Thumbs up this video if you want some food. You guys may just go down the road a while ago. Go deal with something for my father. Now me I walk. Go back home. Me I check Lukey. You know Lukey? I think I don't know Lukey. So I check Lukey and heal him up and see. I'm tired. I'm tired. So, journey with me, you guys. Journey with me. Morning, you guys. I forgot to end the vlog last night, so I basically come on this to tell you guys a surprise. First of all, you guys ready? This Saturday I'll be having a next credit giveaway. So if you want to be entered, obviously you have to be subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and just comment away or I can contact you. Simple 4 steps, don't it? But the steps will be in the description box, so you guys can just go ahead and follow the steps. Also, I have to, before I end the vlog as well, I have to give my post notification shout out to Miss Miller and Romario. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. If you guys if you would like a post notification shout out, you would have to be, obviously you have to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and just comment when done. Simple 1, 2, and maybe you be the lucky person to get a post notification shout out next time. And remember, you guys, giveaway this Saturday, so go ahead, comment who I can contact you, like my video, share my video, and I'll announce the winner this Saturday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye, you guys.